Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add a video in Google Docs. So here I'm already on my Google Docs, and maybe if you are already using Google Docs, you'll know that if you go to insert, there is no option to add a video in here. There's only add an image or table, drawing, and chart. And so I found a solution on of how you can add a video in here. So this is just an alternative. You can just follow it, and so my solution is just add the link add the link of the video that you want to add in here. So maybe if you have your video in Google Drive, you can just copy the link on your Google Drive and then put it in here. But today's I'm going to add just the link on my YouTube. So here let's say that I write an article on how to create barcode in Google Sheets, and this is the articles. But if the reader want to watch the tutorial instead, you can just watch in here. So what you need to do is go to your video, let's say here, and then just copy the link and go back to your Google Docs and paste it here like this. And then I'm going to make it so that it can be clicked. Just insert the link like this, so that when it click like this, they can just click on it to watch the video. Okay, so that's the solution for me. That is how you can add a video in Google Docs. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click on like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Bye bye.